Hi everybody, this is Ray Savage with Cambium Network. Welcome to the special Halloween show. Today we're going to be playing Cambium Connect, and we have three guests, wireless ISPs with us. We'll introduce them in a minute. But what I'd like to do is just kind of go over the rules of the game, if you will. Like any game show, the player with the highest point value at the end will win one of our fabulous prizes. In fact, the winner will receive a brand new in-the-box ePMP 2000 access point with a beam steer antenna and a sector antenna. And then our other two contestants will win a brand new in-the-box ePMP bridge-in-a-box. So everybody's already a winner. What we have are 25 questions in 5 categories, and we'll show you those in just a little bit. But each person will have 15 seconds to answer a question, and Colin Hyduk is our esteemed judge today. And Colin, your decisions are final on whether the answer is correct or not.
A little bit too much power, I think.
So the way it'll work is each contestant will go round robin, so there won't be any buzzing in or any stress like that. And each contestant will choose whatever question they want, and you can see on the board there are point values associated with each question. And if you get it right, you get the points. If you don't get it right, you don't get the points, but they aren't deducted from your score. But we do let the next person in the rotation have a shot at answering the question. If the next person doesn't get it right, then again, you don't get the points, and then the third person has the right to answer the question. There's no buzzing in, there's no racing or anything like that. And we do recommend guessing. We have randomly selected that Jerry, you will be going first, so don't feel the pressure on it. And the show is being recorded right now, and it will be posted to the community. And as you can see, our 25 questions are up there on the board right now. We have 5 categories. The first one is Cambium. The next one is product. Then we have numbers, acronyms, and Maestro. I would assume that means CN Maestro. So without any further ado, what I'd like to do is introduce our 3 contestants. We have Jerry Head. Jerry, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, and what you do?
Sure. I'm Jerry Head. I own Blunt Broadband, LLC. We're located in north central Alabama, so we have some interesting terrain challenges here. And we're growing and working every day with Cambium, trying to make it better.
Great. Our next contestant is Adam Brodell. And Adam, you want to tell us a little bit about your network and where you're from?
Sure. So I'm Adam Brodell. I'm the owner of Smarter Broadband. We're located in Northern California in the foothills, so we have challenges as well with hills and trees. We're a big Cambium shop, and we've got about 3,200 customers right now.
Great. And you will be going second, Adam. And third, and certainly not least, is Chris Bay. Chris, where are you from? And tell us a little bit about your network.
We're just west of St. Louis. It's Bay's ET High Speed. We're an all Cambium shop, of course. We've got the same kind of challenges, trees and hills here, making it difficult for everything else, and as well as very, very rocky terrain makes the wire line providers kind of stay out of our area, which is nice.
Excellent. Okay, good luck to all of you. We should have a good time here, and Jerry, the board is yours.
Okay, I think I'd like to try acronyms for 100, please.
Okay. This capability increases throughput to include multiple users and input-output capabilities.
I think MIMO.
What is MU-MIMO? That's good. Yay! Congratulations.
I feel like we should have a clap.
And yeah, we will get a bell for next time we do this. So we have 100. Well done. And our next contestant, Adam, you get to choose any category you want.
We'll do product for 100.
This antenna technology used in phased array radars is a feature that considerably improves resilience to external interference.
Beamforming.
What is beamforming? Congratulations.
Yay.
Chris, don't feel the pressure. So you're up next, and
Let's go with Cambium for 100.
okay. Cambium was part of this Fortune 500 electronics communications company until we broke free just about 7 years ago to this day in 2011.
That'd be Motorola.
It is.
Yay!
Congratulations. Okay, well, after one round, this is really intense. We have a tie score. So, Jerry, back to you. You don't have to pick the top categories. You can go anywhere on the board.
All right, let's try acronyms for 200.
Okay. GPS in GPS synchronization. What does GPS stand for?
Global Positioning System.
Whoa, good. Well done, Jerry. That brings your total up to 300. And Adam, you're up next.
Oh, let's do product for 300.
Products for 300. This technology, which is part of the ePMP 3000 product, is considered the primary differentiator between 802.11.AC Wave 1 and 802.11AC Wave 2.
Oh, that's a tricky one. The technology is part of the
5 seconds. Okay, the time's up on you, Adam. Chris, the question flips over to you.
I'm going to go with multi-user MIMO.
And the answer is?
My mouse froze.
What is MU-MIMO? Very well done.
That.
So that brings you up to 400, Chris. And even better, it's your turn to go next.
Let's do the products for 200 and knock that one out.
All right, products for 200. ePMP 1000 and ePMP 2000 were the first two generations of ePMP products. The newly released third generation product, or Gen 3, is named?
The ePMP 3000.
Oh, it was a tough one, but yes, you got it. So that brings you up to 600. Jerry has 300, Adam has 100, and since we've gone around for 2 questions now, it's time for a quick word from our sponsor, which is Cambium Networks.
Hold on just 1 second.
Sure.
And to hear this commercial correctly, please make sure your computer speakers are up.
Okay, I'm here with Sakid Ahmed. He is the Vice President of the ePMP group with Cambium Networks, and you're going to talk to us a little bit about the new warranty that was just announced recently.
That's right, Chris. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. First and foremost, it's exciting because we are at WISPapalooza, and I wanted to take a couple of quick minutes to talk about our new warranty program on ePMP. Fundamentally, we have now standardized a warranty. Instead of a 1-year warranty, you will have a 3-year warranty for any products that you have purchased after October 1st. Wow. Exactly. Well, what was the reaction I was expecting? As you can see, ePMP, from a product line perspective, was the affordable product line for Cambium. So naturally, supporting warranty beyond 1 year is something you'd have to take pretty seriously. What drove us to this decision is that we believe that the customer base today wants to buy a product that they can rely on and use it for a number of years because it has the functionality, but more importantly, it has the reliability aspect. We came out with the product at launch with a 1-year warranty, but as we look through the history of the product, When we look at the investments we've made on reliability, testing, factory quality, etc., it sort of dawned to us that why shouldn't we be confident enough to extend this to a 3-year warranty?
Sure.
And it just made the right sense. So here we are today. We announced it last week. Any products you buy after October 1st as an end user will qualify for a 3-year warranty.
And that's all of the ePMP products?
The entire ePMP portfolio.
And how much did you jack up the price for the 3-year warranty?
That's the best part. None whatsoever, right? Most people would ask the same question, but it's the same price, no additional cost. But we hope that this triggers people to adopt the platform and actually see the performance advantages and all the features that we talked about and all the new platforms as well.
All right, that's great. Well,
Yeah.
wonderful information. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks, Chris.
Okay, we're back. And thank you, Sakit, for that interesting note about the warranty. But let's get back to business here. Jerry, you're up next. Where do you want to go?
Okay, hey, congratulations on that warranty. I like the way that sounds. Let's do Maestro for 500.
Whoa, going for the corner. CN Maestro View that enables you to see how your devices are performing.
Monitor network.
No, I'm sorry, that is not correct. Adam, it's over to you.
Performance.
And
Yay!
what is the performance and statistics view? Good job, Adam. So that brings you tied with the lead at 600. And as luck would have it, it's your question, Adam.
Okay, I'm gonna try acronyms for 400.
Acronyms for 400. Okay, QAM.
Quad amplitude modulation. Quadrature, quad.
Will we take that?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh, you're nice. Colin is very easy on you for that one. What is quadrature amplitude modulation?
No one can pronounce that word.
And Adam, you are way out in front of everybody. Chris, it's your board.
Let's see if I can catch up with products on 400.
Products for 400. Cambium Network Solutions use this filtering with a static filter to block noise from outside of the operating spectrum, but also to block out interference from adjacent channels.
Oh, I can't think of the name of the actual filter. The dynamic coband filtering in the ePMP 2000.
Colin?
Oh, I can't think of the name of the actual filter tech.
Colin, are we taking that?
It is, I gave the last one, so I'll give him this one too.
All right.
He got it. He's missing the marketing term.
Dynamic intelligent filtering.
It's important to catch the marketing term.
Yeah.
But
Great job.
well done, Chris. That brings you up to 1,000. Jerry, the board is back to you.
Oh, yay. Acronyms for 300.
Acronyms for 300. SM. It's
Subscriber
related
module.
to... Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Yay!
And that is 300. So you are now up to 600. Adam, it's your board.
Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Acronyms for 500.
Acronyms for 500. This U.S. government agency regulates interstate and international communications by radio, television, wire, satellite, and cable.
That would be the FCC.
That is correct. And that's about as political as I am going to get today. So you are now up to 1,500. Chris, the board is yours.
Product for 500.
Products for 500. When channels are deployed in back-to-back configuration, a network operator can effectively use the same frequency twice to connect users. This is called
GPS synchronization or GPS reuse.
No, that is not correct. I'm sorry, Chris. Jerry?
Frequency reuse.
Yes. Well done, Jerry. That puts you right back up at 1100. And we've gone around a couple of times, so it's time for our next commercial break from our sponsors, Cambium Networks.
Our wireless fabric of connectivity solutions make network expansion easy and provide cost-effective connectivity. Wireless infrastructure can be leveraged for enterprise edge or IIoT industrial access. The entire end-to-end network is managed from a bird's eye view by the CN Maestro system. All Cambium network solutions are backed by our global support organization to meet your business needs. Improve performance while reducing the time and cost of managing a network by moving the intelligence from the core to the edge. An intelligent edge network has the ability to react to changing conditions. Lose connection to the cloud? No problem. Intelligent edge networks don't have to send all traffic to a central controller or NOC, reducing the total network load, points of failure, and latency. Network policies are centrally defined in the CN Maestro management system and consistently enforced at the edge. Policy engines resident locally on both the switch and transmission elements continue to provide secure connectivity. Configure virtual networks for different user groups. Automatically detect new devices and authorize them for specific services. No more security breaches or outages due to misconfiguration that can happen with manual data entry. Field proven in our CN Pilot Wi-Fi products, intelligent edge capabilities are now built into our new CN Ranger LTE distribution networks and CN Matrix enterprise switches. Extend connectivity, enhance security, increase efficiency, all with intelligent edge solutions from Cambium Networks. PTP infrastructure. Wireless backhaul and licensed microwave links offer 1.36 gigabit throughput. Spread connectivity with the access network. Cambium network solutions include 3 options. ePMP 3000 includes MU-MIMO technology and supports 1.2 gigabit throughput. CN Ranger simplifies LTE with a virtualized embedded core optimized for fixed wireless networks. Avoid the cost and complexity of an LTE evolved packet core and eliminate dependency on cloud communication. PMP 450M with CN Medusa technology provides more than 1 gigabit of throughput per sector with industry-leading capacity and spectral efficiency. Provide enterprise edge access with indoor and outdoor 802.11ac Wi-Fi access networks. Our field-proven implementation of intelligent edge capabilities includes zero-touch provisioning and flexible architecture. Connect vital industrial locations. CN Reach Industrial IoT wireless narrowband connectivity solutions are optimized for SCADA backhaul and other process automation applications using licensed and unlicensed frequencies. CN Matrix switches provide simple, secure, cloud-managed, affordable management of a unified wired wireless network. With zero-touch provisioning, automatic network segmentation, and device profiling, CN Matrix switches and the intelligent edge architecture enable network operators to deliver affordable, unified access. Tie it all together with CN Maestro end-to-end management. On-premises or cloud-based management provides oversight of the entire wireless fabric connectivity solution to maximize network uptime, minimize maintenance costs, and optimize customer satisfaction. Improve network performance. Reduce the time and cost of provisioning. Manage with confidence. Deploy wireless fabric intelligent edge solutions that streamline operations and improve your bottom line. Cambium Network Solutions, the way wireless networks should be.
Okay, welcome back. I don't know if there were any of the future answers were in the video or not, but I hope you enjoyed that. We have a very tight game here. We have Adam is in the lead with 1,500 points, followed very closely by Jerry with 1,100 points, and then Chris, you've got 1,000. And the board goes back to Jerry. Jerry, where do you want to go?
Uh-oh, Jerry's phone is on mute.
Oh, Jerry, unmute your phone. We'll hear you easier. Hello?
He's self-muted, so I don't think I can unmute him.
Let's see. Jerry, we do need you to come off mute so we can go ahead and play. Although I'm sure Chris and Adam wouldn't mind if we skipped over you.
He might be having a technical challenge. He just switched to offline.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hopefully things are going okay there in Alabama.
Yeah. We want to move on, and if Jerry comes back, we'll give him 2 in a row.
All right. That sounds good. Adam, you're up next, and you have control of the board. We're standing by for Jerry.
All right, I'm going to try Cambium for 500.
All right. A different strategy here. Cambium Networks offers a complete portfolio of end-to-end wireless connectivity solutions from core, distribution, and access networks. This solution is referred to as
Intelligent Edge.
No, I'm sorry, we're not taking that. Chris?
Oh. Marketing terms not coming to me. Ecosystem?
No, we're not taking. Jerry, are you back yet? Okay, we still don't see Jerry. On that one, the answer we were looking for was wireless fabric. It has something to do with that commercial we all just watched together.
I know.
And as a marketing guy who wrote the script for that, I'm very sad. Any sign of Jerry yet?
No, he's still showing muted and offline for some reason for technical problems.
Okay, so that question was Adam's. Chris, it's over to you. The board is yours.
Let's go to numbers for 500.
Numbers for 500. The number of channels, frequencies, required to operate 2 ePMP 2000 sectors pointing in opposite directions on the same tower at the same height.
They can use the same channel if they're back-to-back, so 1.
1 is correct. Well done. 500 points added to your score, so now you are up to 1,500. You and Adam are tied. Have we found Jerry yet?
Still no Jerry.
Oh, dear. Okay. Adam, the board goes back to you.
Oh, I better try numbers for 400.
Numbers for 400. Compared to ePMP 2000, the ePMP in 3000 increases throughput by this factor.
I think it's 5 times.
You think correctly, sir. Well done. And you have now brought yourself to 2,000 points. No sign of Jerry? Jerry, we're looking for you. Chris, over to you.
Let's do Cambium for 400.
Cambium for 400. Thousands of these network operators around the world provide wireless connectivity to business and residential subscribers.
What are WISPs?
You are correct, sir. That brings you up to 1,900. And Jerry?
Oh, Jerry.
You know, I'll get that on a T-shirt. Where's Jerry? Okay. Adam, the board is yours.
All right, I'm going to risk it. I'm going to do Maestro for 400.
Maestro for 400. Warning indicators available on all CN Maestro screens.
Alarms?
What is alarm status? And so that brings you to 2,400. The points are flying fast now. Chris, board is yours.
Let's do Cambium for 300.
Cambium for 300. The word cambium is derived from the rings in a tree and represents this prized competency.
Oh.
I'm going to record that music.
Oh, that's a tough one. I'm going to go with resilience.
No, I'm sorry. Jerry? No, Jerry. Adam, over to you.
Growth?
Say it with confidence, my
Nice.
friend. That brings you up to 2,700 points. Let's see, and that was Chris's question, right? And so, Adam, the board is yours again.
All right, numbers for 300.
Numbers for 300. The number of QoS levels in the ePMP 2000.
Oh, nitty gritty. Not sure. 16?
16 is not correct. Chris, you can pick up 300.
High, low, and voice, so there's 3 levels of quality of service.
Wow! That is fantastic. 2,200 points. So, and Chris, the board is yours again.
I'll go with numbers for 200.
Numbers for 200. ePMP access points can support this maximum number of subscribers.
In 20 and 40 megahertz mode, 120.
120 is correct. So that brings you, let's see, right now, just to check the score, Adam has 2,700, Chris has 2,400, and Jerry is at 1,100.
He fell off, so I can't even see him anymore, so he must have had a technical issue.
Oops, too bad. Adam, the board is yours.
Maestro for 300.
All right, trying to put away the game here. True or false, CN Maestro can discover deployed equipment in a network.
True.
And that brings you up to 3,000 points. Chris, the board is yours.
Cambium for 200.
Cambium for 200, please. Considered a suburb of Chicago, this city is the global headquarters for Cambium Networks.
Oh.
That's how we feel about it, too. I'm kidding.
Oh, good grief. I can't think of the name of the town. You're just outside of Chicago, right up the street from me, literally.
5 seconds. I'm sorry, Adam, over to you.
Rolling.
Rolling Meadows.
Rolling.
You want to finish that answer?
Rolling Meadows.
Yes.
Yay!
Although we do call it rolling every once in a while when it's not rolling. Let's see, and now it's Adam. It's control of the board is over to you.
Maestro for 200.
All right. 3 deployment architectures for CN Maestro. What are they?
Oh, that's a tricky one. Is that network, tower, and site?
No, that is not correct. Chris, over to you for 200.
Cloud and on-premise, and I can't think of the third deployment method.
You've got 10 seconds. Have you got a friend?
What's your best guess?
Come on, Ryan, help me out here. Hey, Ryan's staring at me.
Time's up. I'm sorry. Autopilot.
Autopilot.
Yep. And let's see, the board is yours, Chris.
Let's do numbers for 100.
Numbers for 100. This very popular ePMP Force subscriber module features a 25 dBi gain, solid dish antenna with an integral feed horn radio. What is this?
Force 200. Force 200.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. You were right.
And that brings you up to 2,500. Adam, the board is yours. I'm going to guess you're going to pick Maestro for 100.
Why not?
Okay. What feature pre-configures the supported devices so they will be automatically onboarded when provided with network connectivity?
Pre-configure supported devices. Is that where you put the URL in the pre-configuration?
No, that's not correct, Chris.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Good thing.
Zero touch provisioning.
Sorry.
Good job, Chris.
Now you'll know why we're not in the game show business. Okay, those are all the questions we have. When you look at the scores right now, we have Adam, you are the winner with 3,200 points. And you will be getting a brand new in the box ePMP 2000 access point with beam steer antenna and also the sector antenna. Chris, you will be receiving.
Yay!
Send us a picture of it when you get it installed. Chris, you'll be receiving, with 2,500 points, you will be receiving the ePMP bridge in a box. And we will also be sending one to Jerry as well. Well, thank you very much, everybody. We will be posting the video onto the community. So that'll be there in a couple of days. And if you like the show, if you like the format or program, let us know in the community, and we could do it again sometime. Thanks, everybody. Have a great Halloween, and have a great time operating your networks. See you later.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.